Hello students, welcome to the session of visual merchandising with me Vandana. So in today's session we will study the ways of communicating brands to customer from the competency install the display. So let's start our session today. So in our today's session the lesson objective is to describe the ways of communicating brand to customer. So what are the ways of communicating brand to customer? It is mainly through three ways. That is through the in-store interiors, next is retailer's bag, and lastly packaging of its own label product. So what do you understand by the word brand? A brand is a name, term, design, symbol, or any other features that identifies one seller's good or services as distinct from those of other sellers. A store's interior. So, a store interior is a visual component of space which involves the use of floor plans and strategies of space management. Besides making the retail store pleasing to the eyes, it also supports the brand identity of a product. It is crucial in the store because it is the place where most of the sales happen in the store. If you want to talk about how the store interiors impact the customer, then if you visit any store, you will know that the atmospheric influence always helps to motivate the customer to pick the choice of their product. So what is a retailer's bag? A retailer's bag is nothing but a common tool used to carry away the product from the store. The brand uses this common tool as a key to showcase their own brand name or highlight their brand name above it. So did you ever thought why the retailer's bag has a brand name above it? No? Then try to find it out. Why does this common tool been used to showcase the brand? Labels are used to identify the product, component, compositions, and other factors which are mentioned above it, and it also helps the customer to identify the right product and the right choice they made. Can you imagine a product without a label? It will be very hard for you to identify a product without its labeling. Therefore, labeling helps a person to identify, and labeling of a product is definitely a must in retail. So with this, we have ended up our session. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching the video.